In this video, we will see the Hello World sample flow in Power Automate desktop. Once the new flow created, search variables in the left sidebar. Select Set Variables with initial value and drag to the flow into the center panel. Then search Display in the left sidebar, and drag the element into the center panel. The display has multiple options like title, message, icon and more. For the message, we will click the X option and select the variable created in the Set Variables element. After completing the flow, click Run button will display the value in the message box. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.